Hello and welcome finally to another update. I apologise for the delay in this one, but I've been waiting for babies hatching and the arrival of new birds, and we've got lots of babies at the moment, and I'll show you those in a second. I've got some new birds. I've got some more bourkes parakeets, and they're babies. They're from a local breeder. They're kind of like rosy colour, which is awesome. They've settled in well. Here they are the first day. This was about a week ago now. So they're settling in well, and they're gonna be breeding birds for next year, hopefully in the newly extended aviary that I'm gonna be working on later this year. Unfortunately, I've not been able to get hold of golden finches just yet, but I think my next big chance will be the October bird show at Stafford. It's supposed to be the biggest one of the year, so hopefully I'll try my luck and be able to get some then. But until then, you can enjoy my new bourkes parakeets. You'll be able to see more of them at the end of the video. And what else have I been up to in the meantime, in the little break between the last video? Well, I've been making a new flight for my baby budgies that I want to keep for next year, so they're going to have nice exercise, lots of room and space to fly about. Here we can see the finished product. This is just a few days ago, and you'll be able to see some new budgies, new babies that I've got for next year. There's yellow-faced violet in there somewhere. There's a few rainbow ones. There's a few new ones at the top there. There's a few from the pet shop, the blue ones. They're a pair. There we can see the violet. The colouring's a little bit weird because of the colour of the shed, but it's definitely a yellow-faced violet. It looks like it's about 3 months old. So very happy with the stock I've got for next year now. And if you want to see more of the new babies and the new flight that I built them, you have to see that at the end of the video. But anyway, that's enough of the budgies for now. Let's take a look at the bourkes parakeet baby. He's still alive. I haven't been in there disturbing him so much. I was a little bit paranoid, but as you can see, he's doing fine, bless him. And also the society finches in one nest here. You can see 3 babies have hatched. And you might have noticed I haven't done a bird room update for a while. That's because I haven't really had many babies, but I've got a few now, and also it's been so hot in the southeast of England. We haven't had any rain for about 3 weeks, well, very little, and it's been temperatures have been 25 degrees and above, and temperatures in the bird room have been too hot to record. But anyway, I've managed to go in there today. It's been a little bit cooler, and I've managed to get some nice footage of the latest babies, so let's take a look. So let's start off with the oldest babies. Dad is raising 3 babies on his own after Mum got a little bit violent and started attacking Dad. He got a little bit of a cut on his head, bless him. She's resting, and he's doing a magnificent job. Here you can see a lovely lime green budgie. It's absolutely adorable. Another female, it looks like. Here we've had a lot of females so far this year, and the trend is continuing. And next up we can see another female, this time a yellow green one. Like I say, Dad has done a perfect job. All the chicks, all the babies, there's 3 of them in total, and they're all in perfect condition. And here we can see all 3 babies together. The littlest one is just a normal green one. It's good to see them all in great condition though. And then we're going to move on and look at some other babies. And this is the oldest 2 from the female that's almost white. It's just got a little bit of dark markings around their wings. You can see these 2 lovely babies. One of them looks like it's going to be blue. So, yep, lovely babies yet again. Next up is Rainbow's babies. Here's a quick look at the pair. And I managed to breed her last time and kept 3 of the 3 babies she had. They were magnificent, so I decided to keep them. And she's got at least 4 babies at the moment. And before I forget, I just remembered I've got some footage of one of the Bengalese babies that recently came out, or it's about a week ago, of a nest. And here it is, first time out of the nest. That bird is still doing fine to this day. So thanks a lot for watching this update. I've got more birds hatching in the budgie and cockatiel aviary. Sadly no cockatiel chicks. The cockatiels seem to be raising the birds, the babies, to about 4 or 5 days, and then I'm not quite sure what's going on, whether the budgies are disturbing them or not. But I have got more budgie babies that are hatching, and I'll try and get an update and show you some of those in the next one. But for now I'm going to leave you with some video of my new bourkes parakeets, the new baby budgies that I'm keeping for next year in the new flight, and some more clips. So thanks a lot for watching. It's been good to be back. Take it easy, look after yourself, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.